Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a truck? Well, you found yourself an absolute clean one. This is the 2015 the Ford F150. Stock number is 7180. Now, virtual video walk around, we're going to show you this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. Of course, it's the 4x4 edition. Here's a shot of the exterior passenger side, making our way around to the rear. Does have the bed liner, power slider, and no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. This vehicle comes with a 150-point vehicle inspection, so peace of mind driving. Power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, no rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. And of course, don't forget warranty protection for life and oil changes for life at Sunset Ford. We just offer more. So do me a favor, for more info, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care now.